Welcome back to the Apex Academy. Hope you're fired up to learn code right now because now we're going to start getting into the juicy details. Before we start actually writing code, we need to make sure we understand the Salesforce automation landscape. Here's the scenario. You are a handyman or handywoman. Salesforce is your workbench. And like any good handy person, you need to know three things. 1. What tools do you have available in your workbench? 2. In what scenarios should you be using each of your specific tools? And 3. How can you properly use each tool to its maximum potential? Let me introduce you to Apex and get you started on your Salesforce Master Architect journey. Here's an overview of the topics we'll cover during this module. First, I'll teach you about all the tools available to you in Salesforce for automating business logic. You have many declarative and programmatic tools, and it's important for you to know when to use each. We're going to definitively answer the age-old Salesforce question: when should you code and when should you not? Next, I'm going to give you an overview of Apex triggers, what they are, how they work, and why we choose to learn them first. We'll also talk about the required components needed to deploy a working trigger to your organization. Finally, I'll show you the 4 most common places Salesforce developers choose to write code and what their specific pros and cons are. We'll get you set up with your coding environment so you can start writing code immediately in the next module.